Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Today we're doing a smoked buffalo chicken dip. That's right. We're taking the classic, very simple buffalo chicken dip recipe, and we're gonna add so much more flavor by smoking the chicken. I've got about a 3.5 pound chicken over there that we're gonna throw in my drum smoker. Right now, what I've got in there is charcoal and a piece of apple wood that I just threw on top. I put the grate down, put the lid on, and I'm gonna run the smoker today anywhere between 250 and 275. I really like to get the dial right between the blue and the yellow right here. And hey, if you're running a pellet smoker or a Weber kettle, any kind of smoker really, same temperature. Anywhere between 250 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And now that we got the smoker all set up, I got some nice clean smoke coming out of here. Let's get this chicken seasoned up and into the smoker. And to season your chicken, use your favorite rub. I'm gonna use this Shigs and Pit. And we're gonna go nice and liberal on this. Wanna add a ton of flavor. Not only the smoke, but also all the seasonings that are in here, spices. I'm gonna get the outside skin, get under the wings. And I'm not using any binders today. This chicken's kind of wet already, so it should hold pretty good. And then what I'm gonna do is peel back this skin. I am not worried about crispy skin. We're not gonna add it to our dip today, but you might wanna eat it after you pull it off, so that's why I'm seasoning it on the outside. And then we'll get the meat under the skin, just like this. And then you can peel it back up and cover it. Just do that for the whole chicken. I'm not gonna do it on the backside, but I will do it around the thighs and wings and everywhere I can. There we go, it's just that simple. Let's get it on the smoker. I'll just pop this lid off real quick, let out some smoke. I'm gonna start breast side up, and then I'm gonna come about a half hour from now and flip it over. This way, as the juices go down, we'll get both sides. And I'm gonna tuck these little wings in here just to keep it together. There we go. So I'll come back in a half hour, flip it over, and we're just gonna let this cook until it's done. I wanna get about 165 in the breast. I'll probably pull it a few degrees before that because we are gonna mix this into the dip and then put it back in the smoker. Give it a little more cook time. So let's get this lid on and we'll come back in a half hour. And it has been a really fast half hour. Let's flip this bird over. There we go. Woo! Getting a little flare up. Nice and juicy though. So get this lid back down. And I'll come back when this is done cooking, and then we'll start to put together the buffalo chicken dip. All right, the chicken is done and rested. So it took an hour and a half in the smoker. Then I let it rest for a half hour. Now all we gotta do is shred it up, but I want you to see how beautiful this looks. It just really took on some great color. Very, very juicy. So here's the breast side. Here's that back side. So really all I gotta do, peel the skin back. And hey, if you wanna eat it, that is what they call the pitmaster's privilege. You could eat that. I'm just gonna expose the meat here, pull away all this skin. You put the skin to the side, and then we'll shred the meat and put it in a separate pile. And I wanna get some breast meat, I wanna get the dark meat, all of it mixed together. So I'm just gonna reach in and start to break it up into some little pieces. So that's pretty much all the breast meat there. Now the wings, I'm not gonna add those. Those are for the pitmaster. So I'm gonna pull those off. And now we'll flip this dude over. And we'll get after the thigh meat and the leg meat. And I've got the chicken just how I want it. And this recipe calls for 2 cups. And this recipe actually comes off of the Frank's Red Hot website. So I got 2 cups right there. And I've probably got another 2 cups right here. So that one 3.5 pound chicken will make 2 batches. And today I'm just making 1 batch. So I got my chicken ready to go. Let me just get this out of the way and we'll keep moving forward. So chicken goes into the bowl. Next, 1 package of softened cream cheese. This is very soft. It's been sitting out for about an hour. And right here, this is a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. I like to use the pack. You get the ranch seasoning pack. You add mayonnaise and whole milk. And so that 1/2 cup of ranch, and then a 1/2 cup of Frank's Original Red Hot. Go ahead and give this a little stir, and then we'll pour it in. Oh, it smells awesome. It smells just like some buffalo chicken wings. All right, now we're gonna mix to combine everything. And you wanna make sure you get all that cream cheese broken down. It'll make this a little less soupy. All right, that's looking pretty darn good right there. So once you get it mixed up, now we can go ahead and put it in a oven-safe pan. And I'm gonna use my cast iron today. Go ahead, scoop it all in. Then press it down, smooth it out. One nice flat layer. All right, we're getting close. I'm getting excited. And now I've got some shredded, this is fresh off the block, Monterey Jack. I would not use the stuff that's pre-shredded. It's got that weird powder coating on it and it's not gonna melt as good. I'm just gonna top this off with a little bit of this Monterey Jack cheese. It's probably about a 1/2 cup. And now some blue cheese crumbles. Put as many as you like. And now our smoked buffalo chicken dip is about to go into the smoker. You'll notice here that I've got it running now at about 350, which means I opened up the vents. If you got a pellet smoker, turn it up to 350 before you put it in, and let's get it in there. There we go, we'll go right about the middle back. Get this lid on. All right, that's it for the next 20 minutes. This is gonna sit in there at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna take on a little bit of extra smoke flavor. We wanna get it nice and bubbly right around the edges. Make sure it's nice and warmed all the way through and melty. Then we'll come back and I'll give it a taste test, and I cannot wait. And it's been 20 minutes. Let's get this lid off of here. Ooh, mama, look at that. Look at how nice and bubbly that is. Looks really good. Starting to brown up there. I'm ready to pull this off of here and let it cool down. Get it over to the countertop. And that's it. God, does this look good. 2.5 hours, that's all it took. We're getting a real nice deep smoke flavor on that chicken. Take a look at how I'm serving this up here. I've got some carrots, some tortilla chips. Gotta have saltine crackers. That's my favorite way to eat it, with saltines. We got some celery sticks. I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of green onion. It's gonna give it a nice pop of flavor, a little bit of color, so it's pleasing to the eyes. So we'll get those on there. All right, I'm fixing to get after it now. It's cool enough, I hope. Look at that, just ooey gooey, beautiful. Smoked buffalo chicken dip. Get right on my saltine cracker. Let's go. All right, I'm going 1 bite, otherwise it's gonna end up everywhere. Here we go. That is awesome. Spicy from the Red Hot. You got the ranch, the blue cheese, the smoked chicken. Hey, smoked buffalo chicken dip, easy to do, delicious. Hey, if you like what we're doing over here, please hit that subscribe button right there, and definitely check out one of those 2 videos right there, and I'll see you over there. All right, number 2, and that's it. Why is it nobody ever eats the vegetables? I don't know.